friends, we are here now to walk, pray, and sing, doing penance in meditation and solemn witness. The holy martyrdoms accomplished here centuries ago were indeed victories for the saints we honor, defeating those who thought the strength of wicked men would ever overcome the power of God. Martyrs have won their victorious crown. But we must still battle with the world, the flesh, and the devil. My dear friends, victory too can be ours. What greater witness have we than the Mass? Today, we do on and realizing a restoration of Catholic culture and tradition, principally through the sacrifice of the Mass, without which none is saved nor sanctified.